The candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate Electronic Science, it is a very good news to you to crack your JRF exam in the 2020. Why? Because the Unacademy launched the Electronic Science complete course for the UG Senate exam. So if you want to crack the JRF in this 2020, then definitely you have to take the subscription plan under this Unacademy. So coming to the subscription plan, you will be having the structured course and the interactive live classes will be there, and you will be having the live tests and the quizzes also will be there. So due to all these points, you are going to get a very good clarity in the conceptual way to clear your exam in a perfect way. So these are the subscription plans for 1 month 2100, and for the 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. So here the different subscription plans are there. So the candidates who wants to subscribe this complete course for the UG Senate Electronic Science, then you may subscribe here any one of these plan, and here the referral code is also there. So it is a referral code you have to use, that is Ashwini K, ASWINIK. So if you use this referral code, then you are going to get the total 10% discount on any one of this subscription plan. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the list of online certificate webinars or the FTP programs, or else some training programs. Okay, so how to access all these things? Why? Because there's so many subscribers are asking me in the comment section that how to get the list of webinars or the FTP programs on one platform. So here I'm showing you that one. That I find out one website, that is facultytic.com. So just go to the Google and search for the facultytic. Then you will be directed to this one. The first one is this facultytic.com. Click on this one and go to the home page of this website. And once after going here, not only the FTP or the webinars, here the faculty positions are also you can get. The huge number of faculty recruitment vacancies are mentioned here, so you can go through this website clearly. First go to the search button. So now type the FTP and then enter. So now you will be directed to the list of FTPs or the webinars or the training programs. See here you can see 6 days online FTP on nanomaterial synthesis and 2 days national online FTP on recent technologies, right? So here some latest webinar series and the FTP series are there. Just click on this one, then you will be directed to the list. So whatever the list of webinars or the FTP programs are happening, with respect to the links also you can get, and what is the last date and what is the duration of this FTP. See 6th to 11th July 2020, program name FTP on nanometal synthesis, presenter or organizer, the college name is also there, and the registration link is also provided here. Right? So like that, it will be the very useful to all of you that you can access all the list of the webinars or the online programs or the FTPs. So out of these programs, a few programs might be the certification oriented, and few programs might be the free online webinars might be there. So you just carefully check down one by one. Okay, the registration links are also provided here. So I think there is no need of much time to spend for the searching purpose. See, the huge list is provided here that you can go through carefully. Right? So I hope it will be very helpful to you, and the candidates who are looking for such type of online FTPs or the webinars for the certification purpose in this lockdown period, please share this video to them. It will be very helpful to most of the faculty members and to most of the students also. Why? Because here a few training programs and the webinars are also for the students. So please share this to all your colleagues and your students also. Right, so it is update, and before ending this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, it is a very good news to you. Why? Because here one of my YouTube channel is designed specially for the UG Senate paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So here all the concepts will be explained in detail, and the PPTs are also available to you to download for quick revision and for quick reading purpose. And this YouTube channel link I am providing in the description box of this video.